Why do most poor people stay poor all their lives? There is one notable quote: "Being poor is not your problem. To die poor is your choice." And here are the main causes of the problem. They misuse their income. It is often said that money does not bring happiness, but spend it to feel better. The poor have cars, new iPhones, and all in order to appear richer when they are knee-deep in the financial abyss. They pretend everything is fine. Do not increase your income. They don't get more because their skills are of limited value. Anyone can flip hamburgers, but not everyone is capable of thinking like a CEO. They do not think about how to improve their skills and increase personal value. They have a victim mindset. It is often customary to blame the country and your region, but with the advent of the internet, this has ceased to be an excuse. You can live in a village and work remotely as a top manager in an American IT company. The difference between the rich and the poor is that the former does not try to justify himself. They depend on one source of income. Until you can make your money work at night, you will remain their slave. They have the same environment. And he loves this environment to drive wisdom into his head. We didn't live richly, we don't even need to start. Plus, when friends constantly want you to spend money on nonsense and show off like they do, it's hard to resist. Nobody wants to look petty. However, it is better to spend money on improving yourself, and not on conformity. Subscribe to the channel.